Alright, today we're working on a unit that keeps blowing the fuse. I got my little popper hooked up so I don't have to keep using fuses. And like I said, what it's doing is just keeps blowing the fuses. So the first place we're going to start is take an amp draw on our red wire coming into the unit. And that will be right here. Right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, there's all right. So we had 8 amps. It was drawing 8 amps. So since it was drawing 8 amps, of course I unplugged the disconnect, and then I'm going to start taking wires apart. Let's do the orange wire because it's since it is a heat pump. Okay. Go ahead and clamp my meter back around it, and hopefully the reversing valve wire is the one that's causing the problem. Ah, look at that. The reversing valve wire is our issue. Let's go outside and check out there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bypass where the orange wire goes into this defrost board. I'm going to bypass that and send it straight to the reversing valve, and if my amps are okay, then I know my reversing valve is okay. But if it's not, I know my solenoid's shorted on my reversing valve. Anyway, so let's go outside and see what we got going on down there. Alright, so we're at the outdoor unit, and it looks like somebody's been here because of that wire nut there. So, kind of made it easy for me. All I had to do was disconnect it. So, I'm going to disconnect this wire here. And I hope that it's just a circuit board and not the solenoid. But if it is, we'll just take care of that too. So that's all we're going to do. You just disconnect that reversing valve wire. Like I said, somebody's already cut that for whatever reason. So they might have had a problem with it last year. The people just moved in this building, so there might have been an issue with it before. So the thermostat wire comes in from right here, and it connects to this wire here, and goes up into the control board. So like I said, I'm hoping that the defrost board is bad, and by jumping it out like I did, we'll be able to know for sure. So anyway, let's go back upstairs and take amperage on the red wire. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the wires back together. Put them back together like this. And put this one that goes up to the defrost board back on the thermostat wire. Then what we're going to do is just unplug this. Alright, let's go up. Alright, so we're back at the air handler after disconnecting the reversing valve. Oh, still drawing 9 amps. So, now, let's go see what our problem is. Let's go disconnect those wires totally and see what the issue is. Alright, so I've disconnected the orange wire in here totally. See, there it is right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do, because since this is a metal building, well, look up there. I don't think it's up there.
That huge bunch of
Yeah,
wires.
that huge mess. I don't think it's up there though. I could be wrong. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the green wire from in here. Take the green wire and tie the green wire and the orange together and see what happens then. So the orange wire going outside is shorted, so like I said, we're just going to take the orange and the green, tie those together like this. Make sure we're all amps, and we are. Let's see what happens. Alright, so it looks like our orange, our green wire that goes outside is now going to be our orange wire. And then while we're down there, we'll look and see if we can't find anything shorted, because I'm pretty sure that if the orange is shorted, something else is going to be as well. So let's go outside and turn our green wire into our orange wire. Alright, so I've already went ahead and stripped the wire and went ahead and put the disconnected my orange, and for whatever reason it's shorted.
Hey, we got our mechanic here.
Hey man. But anyway, so I went ahead and stripped it and put the orange wire from the defrost board to the green, and now we're going to go back upstairs and start it up. Alright, so we went ahead and traded the orange for the green wire outside, so let's see what happens. I say we're good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together, and I think we'll be good on this one.